On screen, title card, how to transfer WhatsApp business chats to new iPhone. Narration, in this quick guide, you'll see exactly how to move your WhatsApp business chats from your old iPhone to your new one, step by step. On screen label, Step 1, Update WhatsApp Business. Narration, first, on your old iPhone, open the App Store and make sure WhatsApp Business is fully updated. On screen label, Step 2, connect to Wi-Fi and power. Narration, connect your old iPhone to stable Wi-Fi and ideally keep it on charge, so the backup doesn't get interrupted. On screen label, Step 3, open WhatsApp Business. Narration, now, open WhatsApp Business, then go to Settings in the bottom right corner. On screen label, Step 4, back up your chats. Narration, in Settings, tap Chats, then Chat Backup, and select Backup Now to save your latest WhatsApp Business chats to iCloud. Narration, wait until the backup completes. Keep the app open and stay on Wi-Fi until you see the latest backup time updated. On screen label, Step 5, sign in on new iPhone. Narration, on your new iPhone, sign in with the same Apple ID so it can access your iCloud backup. On screen label, Step 6, install WhatsApp Business. Narration, open the App Store, search WhatsApp Business, and install it on your new iPhone. On screen label, Step 7, verify your number. Narration, open WhatsApp Business, tap Agree and Continue, then enter and verify the same business phone number you used on your old iPhone. On screen label, Step 8, restore chat history. Narration, when prompted, tap Restore Chat History. This pulls your WhatsApp Business chats from iCloud onto your new iPhone. Narration, keep your new iPhone on Wi-Fi and powered while the restore runs. Larger backups can take a few minutes to complete. On screen label, Step 9, done. Narration, once finished, your WhatsApp Business chats appear on your new iPhone. You're ready to get back to business. For more quick guides, hit follow or subscribe.